If your Drysuit seals are feeling stiff or starting to show wear, treat them with GearAid's Seal Saver Drysuit Seal Conditioner. This conditioner is designed to protect both latex and neoprene and helps prevent cracking, sticking, and early wear. It's safe to use on dry suits, gaskets, O-rings, and other essential dive gear. Start by cleaning the seal with a dry cloth to remove any dirt or residue. Apply a small amount of Seal Saver to a clean cloth, then work it into the seal with light pressure. Let it sit for a minute, then buff out any excess. No mess, no residue, just flexible, protected seals. Regular conditioning keeps gaskets pliable and dependable, dive after dive, season after season. GearAid Seal Saver. Care for the gear that keeps you dry. See the full lineup of GearAid lubricants and antifogs online or at an outdoor retailer near you.